Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. So I spent the last day or so trying to fix an issue with Secure Boot. Whenever I enabled it in the BIOS, Windows wouldn't boot up, and instead I get this automatic repair, which in my case it didn't fix anything. Instead, I just ended up in a boot loop until I disabled Secure Boot. Unfortunately, what that means for me is I couldn't play Battlefield 6 Beta as it requires Secure Boot to be enabled. Now, I read lots of posts and watched many videos, and while useful, they didn't solve my problem. But finally, I was able to find what was causing the issue and resolve it. So I thought I'd share it with you just in case it can help you out too. Now, just to show you, my BIOS is set as UEFI. I had the latest BIOS version already installed, Secure Boot enabled and active. CSM is disabled and TPM is enabled. My partition is also set as GPT and Windows was all up to date. I even tried clearing CMOS and trying other suggested solutions. Unfortunately, none of them fixed the issue. Now, the real cause was actually staring right at me in the face. I didn't notice at first, but at the end of the automatic repair, where it says you couldn't repair your PC, it also shows you there's a log file. So I looked into that file. So the first thing of note is the number of root causes. In my case, I have one issue. This is followed by a series of tests which seem to have passed successfully. But if we go to the very bottom of the file, we find the root cause. And it believes that this driver is corrupt. Now, I happen to know that this is part of the Intel Rapid Storage Technology drivers. I don't think it's corrupt, I just think it's an old file. And because of that, it's probably not compatible with Secure Boot and/or its integrity can't be validated. So Windows treats it as an unsigned driver. In fact, I did run the file signature verification tool that comes with Windows. It's called SigVerif. And it did come back with this file as being unsigned. So after I downloaded and installed the Intel Rapid Storage Technology drivers, the issue went away. I was able to boot into Windows with Secure Boot enabled, and I got to play the Battlefield Beta for a while. So happy days. Now, you might have a different issue here, but at least it gives you an idea of how to narrow it down and hopefully find a solution. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please hit the like button and we'll see you on the next video.